If you have a Tormek machine, it's nice to be able to rotate it 180 degrees and work on it from different sides. And Tormek make a dolly that rotates 180 degrees and locks, but it's like $60 or $70 and made of plastic. I found this on McMaster, and I think it was $10. And one cool thing about it is that it's got multiple locking detents, so every 90 degrees. So it locks there once more and again. And it's got ball bearings, works pretty well. And I'm gonna mount the machine and show you. I drilled the holes in this using this as a template, but sometimes it's hard to get these perfectly lined up. But if I use a light, that will guide me to drop that on perfectly. The light shines through, now that's aligned. And now that there's one less degree of freedom, it's just a matter of pivoting until it drops into the other one. I can mount the machine. Which is super heavy. I would not want to have to lift this by hand every time I rotate it. But now it turns super easily and it locks right into place. And back.